Yung texture ng ube halaya. Kalalasahan ko yung muscovado. Yung tamis niya tama lang. Hi everyone! We have another recipe using Piotraco products. Wala pa tayong ube halaya? Nahihirapan pa tayo maghanap? Well, we can make our own ube halaya using Piotraco's Macy's mashed potatoes, Piotraco's muscovado, at pakatamisin with the less sugar calorie using Piotraco's sugar lime. Ito lang ang mga ingredients na kailangan natin. Okay, we will now start with mixing together all the liquids. Ano yon? We have water, coconut milk, and the condensed milk. And now we will add Piotraco muscovado and Piotraco sugar lime. Dito natin i-on ang fire. Warm lang ha, we don't want to boil this. So I think it's starting to simmer. Yan, makikita niyo may tiny bubbles dito sa gilid ng ating pot. Okay, it's time to add our ube powder. At this point, I will turn off the fire and I will let the ube powder soak. What we need now is to totally dissolve the ube powder. So you see, nagtikim na siya. It's time to add our Macy's potato flakes. Now it's time to add our salted butter. Half lang muna. Next step, papalamigin lang natin siya before we put it in a container. So after filling up this container, we can add butter. And just seal it. So there you have it, our own ube halaya. And here's the best part, the taste test. Sarap. Napaka-happy tummy dance ako. So try this recipe, napakadali. You won't regret it. Enjoy! Thank you, Piotraco. On to the next recipe.